Hi guys, Melanie Gray here from 4th Street Creative, and today we're going to be talking all about how you can get the most bang for your buck from 4th Street Creative templates. So buy them once and use them over and over again. And today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can get the most out of your templates. Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Canva and we are using our King West posts as an example for you. And we provide 10 different posts in our template in this particular bundle. And the reason is we are very intentional with how many templates we create. Oftentimes we hear in our DMs, oh, I wish that there were more. I wish that there were more templates. Can you create more templates the next time? We're like, no, because 10 is all you need. And here's why. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most longevity out of these templates. It is called the duplicate page and mirror trick. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to find a layout that you really like. Let's take this one as an example. And you're going to hit this button right here, which will duplicate the page. Then we're going to apply the mirror trick, which is so easy, and it will instantly give you another template that you can use. And all we're going to do is take every element of this template and mirror it. So if this was on this side to begin with, we're going to pop it over on this side. If this was on this side, we're going to pop it over on this side. Might have to change that so that the alignment is this way. And then I'm going to take these and put them over here. And now we have a new template that took me literally less than 5 seconds to create. And now you can pop a new photo in here, pop new copy in here, a new heading, and this is completely new. It also works, this was a horizontal flip, but you can also flip things vertically. So I can duplicate this again and change all of the elements vertically. So again, if something was on the bottom, I'm putting it on the top. If something, let me take this, flip it over 180 degrees and pop it on the bottom. We'll just leave everything the same horizontal orientation. We're just flipping things around vertically now. If this was on the bottom, now it's on the top. And we're gonna have to move these guys down. And now you have a brand new template, another new template. So now when I go through these, I no longer have 10, I have 12, and it literally took me less than 20 seconds to do that. So that is trick number one. When you get a template bundle, always duplicate and flip. Duplicate and flip, and you can do this multiple times and you have new templates. You can also delete elements to make a brand new template. So if you liked this template, you can delete that one element, make the photo larger, and you have another template. And you can do this again and again. You can duplicate this guy again, and you can delete this element this time. And now you have a new template. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. You don't need a professional designer to design you 100 different templates for these to work. You need intentional design, and then to duplicate those intentional designs, and the sky's the limit. You can create as many new templates as you want. The point is, we don't put any fluff in our templates. We make sure that all of them are designed perfectly for you, and then you get to decide how you duplicate and change them ever so slightly to make brand new templates. So that is trick number one. Trick number two is to use the grid view. So a lot of people don't know this, but if you click down here onto grid view, it will show you all of your artwork in your design. And what I love to do when we're looking at grid view is to see how everything works together. So when you're popping in new photos, let's say that I've bought this King West template bundle and I have a listing coming out and I head to photos. Let me type in living room and I pop this guy in. Okay, this is the photo that we're working with. Now let's go to grid view. The colors don't really work. So I know just by looking at this that I'm gonna have to fix it. And if you want tricks on how to make sure that your photos are always on brand, you can head to the video below this one. We are going to link to it there. But it is it's very important to look at grid view to make sure that everything works together that you've popped in. And usually when you buy templates, what the culprit's gonna be are the images. When you pop in brand images, you might see that they don't necessarily work, so you need to employ some tricks of the trade to make sure that they do work. So grid view is how you're going to get a great result with your template. And then the very last thing that I want to show you is the resize tool. So if you have a pro account, you have a resize tool here, and we're going to resize this for, let's say, a feature sheet. So we're going to change this to inches. We're going to do 8.5 by 11, and we're going to copy and resize this document. Now we have a new document that's the perfect size for a feature sheet. We just need to adjust a few things to make it work, and not even a lot of stuff. Like you can put the address here. You could even just take this out, and that's a really beautiful feature, front of a feature sheet right there. Boom, we're done. So now we've just created the front of the feature sheet, and we just have to create the back now, and you can do that with one of these other posts, which might work when you take one of these guys. So now we have this. We can make these photos line up on the side, and then you can write your property description right here. And you have a perfect, easy feature sheet that took you less than a few minutes to make. It might take you a little bit longer if you are, if you're a perfectionist and you want to make sure that everything is perfect, or you're bringing your own photos in. Of course, it's going to take you more than what I'm showing you here. But the point is that you can resize your design so you get a lot of bang for your buck. So you don't need to use your post templates as just post templates. You can repurpose them and use them for different things. Just listed cards, feature sheets, property brochures even. You have the text, you have the fonts, you have the layouts all done for you. You just need to make a few tweaks to make it work. And that is how you get the most bang for your buck with templates. That's it, guys. I hope that was helpful. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this, then hit subscribe and you'll be notified whenever we come out with a new one. Also, please check out my free masterclass called How to Take Your Instagram Posts from Drab to Droll-worthy. It is perfect for anyone who wants to learn some tips and tricks on how to up-level your designs. And also, I'm going to talk about the biggest real estate design mistakes that I see over and over and over again, and how you can avoid them. So make sure to check out that masterclass. It's right below where you're watching this video, and it's 100% free. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and happy designing, my friends.